Welcome to Mixing Up Success, the podcast that helps bakers and small business owners mix together the right ingredients to grow a thriving business and a lifestyle they love. I'm Dani, founder of Dani's Kitchen Shop, a baker, teacher, and mentor who's learned firsthand what it takes to turn passion into profit. Each episode, I'll bring you fresh strategies, honest stories, and practical tools you can put into action right away. Whether you're building your bakery dreams or growing your small business, this is where inspiration meets action. Let's get mixing.